Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So if you want a nice replacement to boring old potato salad for this summer, try this recipe. It's an Asian inspired chili crisp cold noodle salad. And this is one presentation and it's so easy to prepare. Your family and friends will love it. Okay, to make this beautiful and tasty chili crisp cold noodle recipe, you're going to need something like this. You have to use, or you should use, Udon noodles. And I bought this at a local Asian market, and I like that it's small quantity, resealable bag. And for my recipe, you're only going to need 2 stacks of these, and I like how they're wrapped, so it fits around each of my fingers, and that'll be enough after when it's cooked to fill about half this bowl, maybe a bit more. So let's get that into the water and start boiling these. Here we go. So we got 2 of those packs in, and they're going to boil in this pot for about 12 minutes. Just gently teach them and leave them alone for 12 minutes. The noodles are done, but before we dump the hot water into my sink, I'm going to measure out this much in my ladle, which I know is 1/3 of a cup, put it into a measuring cup, and then dump the water. And unlike a lot of other recipes, this recipe, you've got to dump the hot water out and run it under cold water and make sure it is totally cold. So just get in there with your clean hands and just keep on running your fingers through it until it's nice and cold. And I'll keep on doing this until I reach that point. It's that simple. I just want to mention, if you can't find udon noodles, I think a broader, like a fettuccine noodle might do. And if you don't have fettuccine noodle, then probably just a regular spaghetti. I mean, everybody has spaghetti in their pantry, right? So keep on rinsing for a few minutes until it is really cold. It is really rinsed. So I'm going to let that sit in my sink for the amount of time to make the marinade, and all the water should drip off, and then we're good to go. Into my metal bowl, stainless steel bowl, that's kind of wobbly, I'm going to add in 1/3 cup of creamy peanut butter and get that in there. And right away, before I finish, I'm going to add in that third cup of hot water from the noodles, and that's going to help really soften up my noodles, or sorry, my peanut butter. The peanut butter is nicely smooth, and to that I'm going to add 1/3 cup of soy sauce. Mix all that in, and on top of that we're going to add in 1/3 cup of Chinese black vinegar. And if you're trying to look for this at Walmart, don't even try. I got this at my local Asian market, and the real name is Chinchang vinegar. So this black vinegar, that's the name of it. Mix that in, and it has such a wonderful flavor. It's going to knock you on your butt. Okay, so next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. 1, 2. Mix everything up. To that, we're going to add in 3 large cloves of crushed garlic cloves. Get that in there. And then 2 teaspoons of freshly grated ginger. That is really going to give it a nice Asian flair. You're going to love this recipe. On top of that, we're going to add in some white sugar. 2 teaspoons of white sugar, just to balance out all the different flavors in there. Let that sit for a minute. And then we're going to add in, how much? We're going to add in 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil. Oh, the flavor in this is so beautiful. It's crazy. We'll just let that sit there for a minute. And get the last ingredient. The original recipe called for 1/3 of a cup of chili crisp. And I'm going to add only 1 tablespoon because while this isn't super, super spicy hot, it is spicy. But if you, I don't know, and this too, I found it at a local Asian market not too far from my place, and just add that in. Trust me, you're going to love it. Mix all that in, and then we're going to set that aside for a sec. For this recipe, you're going to need about 2 medium-sized carrots washed, and I'm going to use my mandolin because it's much quicker, and with this guard I should be okay not to slice through my fingers. And let's see what they look like, and basically that's the finished product. You want it to be very skinny, very thin, and we're going to need 2 carrots like that. So let me continue and we'll add that to our ingredients. The last veggie is, I found in my recipe, I like only half an English cucumber because the seeds are so small, and of the half I cut it in quarters just so I can run it along in my mandolin. So let's see how I make out with that. So pass it through and then give it a little spin. And if you're doing this by hand, just take your time and make sure it's nice small little pieces. Let me just show you. So this is what we have. Like this, nice julienne slices, a bit of the seeds in there. Everything is nicely incorporated here. And then I'm going to add in our nice Udon noodles, and they are chilled nice and beautiful. And let's just get them in there. And then, you know what? Let's get in our veggies. Put those right on top. Our carrots right on top. And if you don't like that much carrot, I mean, just use 1 carrot. It's like this recipe can be modified to any extent you prefer. So just get in there and mix everything up, and pretty much this recipe is good to go. But I prefer to put it in the fridge just for a bit, just to let the ingredients incorporate and get to know one another and get personal. And by the way, this recipe, the next day, put it into a plastic container or whatever, and it is, wow, crazy nice. Sorry, I knocked the camera. Personally, I like to add a bit more of the spice chili. Not a lot, maybe half a tablespoon, and like it adds such a kick to this. And I guess on the spiciness level, out of 10, it's maybe a 5 or a 6. Like, it's not gonna burn your tongue off, but it is so, everything in here with the peanut butter and the soy sauce and the black Chinese vinegar, like, man. And this will go good with many things, Asian or North American. And I'm going to plate this up and show you how delicious this looks on a platter. And there you have it. Served on some nice crispy Boston lettuce, and topped with some sesame seeds and green onions. And if you like sesame seeds, You could even add as much as you like. They're healthy. And there's nothing else to say except try this great Asian-inspired Chili Crisp Cold Noodle recipe, which is great for summer meal preparations instead of potato salad and what have you. This is really, really a meal in itself that you're going to love. Your family will love it and will thank you. Thanks again for dropping by my channel, and please do try this Chili Crisp cold noodle recipe today. It's going to be a hit with your family or your next party, whatever. And if you enjoyed this video and found it delicious and informative, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do. So till the next one, take care, everybody. Bye now.